video with your girl Q. How are my cutie Qs doing today? I missed you so much. If this is your first time visiting the channel, hello, my name is Q. I would love to have you as one of my cutie Qs. If you can hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notifications on so that you are reminded every time I post a brand new video. Today we are having authentic Filipino food. I'm super excited. My sweet friend Jovi, she made all this food for me today. So I'm just gonna enjoy every piece of it. I've never had Filipino food before. My hot plate is sizzling right now, so hold on one second. So she told me everything that we had today, but I am probably going to mess the names up, so I'm going to do my best. Please forgive me if you're Filipino. So what we have here is pan city noodles. I'm pretty sure I pronounced that wrong. It has chicken, pork. I think it has chicken, pork, shrimp, cabbage, and it's some noodles here. This is lumpia rolls. I'm pretty sure you guys know what that is if you're Filipino. This is white rice, and this is pork and chicken adobo. So she said that I have to eat this, well, you eat this with the rice. I have some hot sauce on the side, because you guys, sometimes I just can't go without my hot sauce, even if I'm having some authentic food. And I have my drink here. I am drinking vitamin water. This is strawberry watermelon. I am very thirsty. So I am ready to dig in. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's give it a nice taste. I know it's going to be good because Jovi can cook. Now, if you're new to my channel, I do burp smack and moan. So I do apologize if that offends some people. Yummy. So let me tell you guys about my friend Jovi. So a few years ago, I was a dialysis technician. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Yum. Jovi. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so good. I'm just gonna put some hot sauce on the pancetta. So a few years ago, I was a dialysis technician, and you know, and a dialysis technician is somebody who takes care of people. So good. So delicious. Wow, this is really good. So, a dialysis technician takes care of people who are on dialysis. They have renal failure, kidney failure. Wow, this is good. And when somebody has renal failure, their kidneys pretty much don't work anymore. And they have to get on dialysis so that so they can get their blood filtered and cleaned. Because our kidneys filter our blood from toxins and stuff like that. So their kidneys don't work, so they won't live if they don't have something clean in their blood. So thank God for dialysis, because a lot of people wouldn't be here anymore without it. So I did that. And me and Jovi worked in the same clinic. She was a nurse. Well, she still is a nurse. And you guys, oh my God. The nicest person ever. Sweetest person. This is so good. And there was a few Filipinos that worked there at the same clinic. And I went back to say hi to her and asked her if she can make this for me, and she did with no problem. I'm so excited. This is so good. Because we don't have any Filipino restaurants in my area. So good. Man, this is so good. Man, I am so happy. I really do love trying other food. These are good. But she was such a pleasure to work with, I'm telling you. I do miss dialysis a lot. Now, I've had a lot of jobs in my life, but dialysis was literally my best job. I really loved every second of it. Excuse me. This is so good. If you're Filipino, I'm so jealous. So jealous. That girl can cook. So good. And she made me so much. I said, Jovi, I don't need that much food. And she made me a lot. I have enough to share with all of you guys. If you have a Filipino restaurant in your area, please try it out. Yummy. Oh, excuse me. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so rude, you guys. I didn't even ask you guys how you were doing. How are you guys doing today? I wish you were here tasting this food with me. It's so good. Man. I think this is my favorite. The chicken pork adobo is my favorite. It's all good, but the chicken pork adobo, man. If you go to a Filipino restaurant, ask them for the chicken pork adobo. You will not be disappointed. The lumpia. This would be so good with like some kind of sauce. Some type of chili sauce or something. Oh my God. So good. You guys, I'm telling you, I eat some really good food. Some really good food. Please venture out. Don't be afraid to venture out and try new foods. Man. You guys, I'm telling you, This is good. Mmm. 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 I hate when I get full. I just want to keep eating. Go out and get you some Filipino food. Now, we don't have a Filipino restaurant in my area. So without Jovi, I probably would have never tasted Filipino food. Wow. I am very impressed with Filipino food. So flavorful, so delicious, so filling, so yummy. So yummy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're Filipino, go ahead and smash that like button. Even if you're not Filipino, oh, excuse me. Smash the like button either way. I love you guys so much. Make sure you go check out some Filipino food. Jovi, thank you so much for making this food for me. I love you so much, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.